waking up all the neighbors, man.
I know. Did you see the like one?
Did it?
Yeah, somebody's liking.
I don't have a window. He was staring at us. You saw that shit? Dude, he's fucking pissed. He's probably calling the cops. You know your car's unregistered. Let's talk to him before cops come.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Hey.
Hey, you guys live around here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is my house right here.
Oh, never met you. Don't mind them doing that talk.
Huh? Yeah, of course. Come on in. Turn that thing off. It's so fucking loud. Do you have to gun it so hard?
Yes.
Just to move that much?
Yeah, it won't move.
Have you checked your training fluid?
No.
What if you're like completely bare?
I don't know.
Pop the hood.
Yeah, no. Just barely.
Oh, dude. Where is it supposed to be? Oh, yeah, the dots?
Yeah.
That's your problem. That's why it's not moving at all.
Yeah.
That's.
Farted.
I did fart. You smell it?
Yeah.
I thought they don't smell too bad.
No, they smell pretty bad. Alright. Let's change this oil.
Alright, let's do it. Alright. Oh, that's a cute blanket.
It used to be my baby blanket.
Oh, now you're using it for oil changes?
That's right.
You've grown so much.
When a man becomes a man, he's gotta use his baby blanket.
You got it? Don't strip it. Let me know if you need assistance.
I think I might, because I don't know how to use this fucking breaker bar.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, low key.
You're
I
gonna
don't even know if this thing fits or not.
Don't strip it, man.
Yeah. You got it?
Yep.
Sweet. Hold up. Yep. That wasn't that bad. I don't know how you got like such a perfect angle.
Huh?
I don't know how you got like such a perfect angle.
I put my head under the thing your face is in front of.
Oh.
I laid on my back, not on my stomach.
But I like how it squishes my wee wee.
Well, you do you, man.
Hey, man. Oh, fuck.
Did you miss? Did you miss
Really
the
bad.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
god, dude. Is it better from the top?
I think so. No, I don't. There's a hole. No, I can't even reach it now. From
What you
under
mean?
here.
Flashlight at it?
Right here. You see it?
Yeah, it's easier from the bottom.
How the fuck? I can't reach that.
I don't know. You want me to do it?
This is like perfect.
Oh shit. The stupid desk is moving. Get it.
Don't lose my fucking phone.
I'm not gonna. Oh shit, I need 2 hands for this.
Here, give me. Give me.
No, I got it. I got it. Just need to shimmy it on. Oh, that engine's still warm. There we go.
You got it? I should be able to get it from underneath then.
It's loosened now. So if you can get it.
Well, I was trying to grab it with my oily hand anyways.
True. Now you got a glove.
Yep.
I think it's smart. You getting up in there?
Yeah, I got it finally.
Nice. Whew. You want to show the camera the oil filter?
This big ass thing.
Yeah, I can't fucking even see it with the camera. You got it?
Yeah.
Is that heavy?
Yeah. It's not that heavy, but like it's awkward.
Oh,
It's full.
man. I'm
God,
sure that
that
thing
thing
is
is
full.
huge.
I don't know touching that crap. You got the glove on.
It's not like wet, but that thing is huge.
Yeah, I think it's pretty monstrous. It's like my cock.
Edit out. See that again?
Yeah, go for it. It's all you. You're gonna have to like lean on it like you did last time.
Yeah, I really don't know where it is now, to be honest.
Why would they make it so deep?
What the fuck?
It was down
Yeah.
over there.
Yeah, but I don't see
right behind the
hole.
manifold. Just poke it around with your hand. Just don't burn yourself.
Here, hold this for me.
Sure thing. Oh. You feel it?
No.
Ooh, what? What?
I need this. Stop that shit. Fucking gay.
You can't be saying stuff like that on YouTube.
Fuck YouTube. Shit.
Yeah, we're gonna post this shit to Tumblr.
Want me to do it? Want me to do it?
Low key.
Where's the baby blanket?
Huh?
Where's the baby blanket?
On the other side.
Careful, careful. You're gonna hurt yourself. Am I a master mechanic?
No.
No. I'm a magician. Master mechanic!
You almost hit your head, you know that, right?
Master mechanic never hits his head. This is not a 21. Where's the 21?
We were using 22, dumbass.
Where's the 22?
I don't think that's it.
Well, maybe this was the 22. Go, Kenny. You hear that slapping? That's the sound of good sex.
Edit out.
You just dumping the whole thing.
Yeah, it's 5. I know that's how much it takes, so.
Makes it easier, right? Yeah, let's slow down. You're about to overflow.
That's fine.
You're
I can't really hold this.
You're all. You just spilled it everywhere. You know the check oil? You wipe down the stick and then you put it back in.
Tutorial.
Yeah. 2 Newton meters, don't forget.
Can you take this off?
Did you put it on that tight?
I don't know. I can't take it off.
Cocksuckers.
Oh, who's the pussy now?
Master mechanic.
Can't take off oil cap.
Ugh. Crap, you got tools?
For real?
Yeah. There we go. Master mechanic. Alright, buddy boy, unregistered, uninsured, no title, no nothing.
I got a seatbelt, bro. That's all I need.
I'll be okay. Let's
I don't
go!
even know how to make this thing fucking fit.
Alright, man, let's do it. Do your dash doesn't light up?
Nope.
Oh, that's horrible.
But it goes forward without me even hitting the gas.
So that's fixed.
Yeah.
So at least it's better in drive.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa! That was going. Oh, buddy. Man, this thing is big. How are the brakes?
Good.
They good enough?
Yeah.
This thing is massive.
This thing is fast.
Oh! I expected it to be dirt slow.
I was at 30. It just feels fast as shit.
Yeah, because it's such a big thing. Man, oh man. Oh, that body roll.
Turning radius isn't terrible.
You took a whole cul-de-sac to turn around. What are you talking about?
It's a fucking lifted truck, man.
Oh! How do you feel, man, driving your F150?
I'm excited. Now I'm ready to put this bitch in reverse.
That's
all I'm
not
worried
gonna
about.
happen.
I know.
Well,
But at least it goes forward.
Alright, go ahead, put it in reverse. What's reverse? You said in reverse?
That's reverse.
Why are you going forward?
That's reverse.
You're going forward in reverse?
Yep.
Why?
That's neutral. That's why. So.
That's some complete
shit.
reverse.
Yep.
You're going forward.
Yep.
Man, it's actually kind of awkward getting in this thing.
I like
so
it.
tall.
I like it.
How you doing? Off-roading. First time in the big pick-em-up truck, we're off-roading.
Go through the woods? Oh,
Yeah.
no, I can't fucking turn around, so.
Oh, dude.
That's fine.
Are you sure? No, it's not. We're fucked. We're fucked. We don't fucking have reverse, dude. Oh, we're so fucked. Kenny!
Let me see.
Kenny!
Put it in neutral, I'm gonna try to push. You wanna help boy push?
Yeah, I'll fucking help push. Fucking Christ, man. I'll put the camera over here. God damn it, man. Headlights. Stop. You're right here, dude. You're here. Stop. Straighten out your wheel. Straighten it out. This is not moving. This isn't going anywhere. This thing's completely kaput right now. Hey, Kenny, fun fact. Volkswagens have been towing out and saving F-150 since the 1980s.
I thought it was since 2016, but okay.
Today it's since 2016. It's been a while.
Keep on coming back. Come on. Just be real slow. I'm standing right here. You see where I am, right? Yeah. Back up just a little bit more. Real slow. Real slow.
See if that hooks in. Does it?
Yep.
Perfectly?
Yep. Here, look at it. Let me take a look.
There you go. You got it. Hey, you got it. Keep on going. That's good. Okay, you're clear.
I'm good?
Yep.
Whoa! Forward motion! All-wheel drive power! You see that? I can tow an F-150 out in the dirt. So if you ever get stuck when you're off-roading, call Thomas. I'll come with my Passat. Boom! Look at that sexiness. Ooh! This car! Towing machine! Whoa! Huh? Alright, man, go fix your mistake. Are you gunning it?
Not really. I was pushing pretty hard, but I wasn't gunning it. You want me to gun it?
Yeah, fuck it, just do it. This is gunning it all the way?
Yeah.
Whoa! That's loud. That's loud.
I can't see how fast I went though.
Ah, yeah, because your speedometer does not work.
Yeah. Look at my steering wheel. I mean,
I know.
a lot of things don't work.
Yeah.
Let's go off-roading, bro.
Before you get stuck and I have to pull you out again.
That's fine, as long as you're here.
As long as I'm here. That's funny that worked though.
Oh.
We're about to tip over. Oh dang, that body roll. Man, oh man. Gun it. Gun it. Ah! Ah! Waking up all the neighbors, man.
I know, did you see the light come on?
Did it?
Yeah, somebody's liking. Not any of my lights, but somebody's
Oh,
liking
oh.
one over there.
Did that person turn on his lights?
Probably. Fuck. I don't care.
I think that person
No,
is
he's
coming for you.
No, he's not.
Is that person coming for me?
No.
Why was he just sitting there?
He was backing out of his garage.
Why is he waiting there?
I don't know. Not my problem.
I think someone's upset with you right now.
Okay.
Why is he sitting there?
I don't know.
Alright, let's get him.
No, hold still.
Why is he still waiting there?
Hold still.
You see how that's suspicious, right? Is he calling the cops right now? He's coming over here. He's coming over here. He turned on his high beams. I don't have a window. He was staring at us. You saw that shit? Dude, he's fucking pissed.
What's his fucking problem?
Want to get out?
Yeah.
Confront him. Let's confront him. Where's my boy? Ugh. I got a camera. He's just watching us right now.
Okay.
It's awkward that I'm holding a camera though. He's just sitting there.
I don't know why.
He's probably calling the cops. You know your car's unregistered. Let's talk to him before cops come. Hey.
Hey, you guys live around here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is my house right here.
Oh, I never met you. I don't mind the truck.
Yeah, I can
Your
pull it up on my
driveway?
driveway.
Yeah.
If you don't mind the...
Yeah.
All right. Sorry to bother you. Okay?
No, you're fine.
Yeah.
I was just
saw
making
you
sure.
before.
Yeah, dude. I'm
I
kinda,
live across the street.
I know. I've met your
I
kids
just,
actually.
you know, it's kind of...
Yeah, you kind of scared the hell out of me, but
Yeah, we
it's
were.
all right.
yeah, no.
No, I
What
have
you guys
to.
up to?
No, we were just working on the truck now.
Oh, okay.
We recently bought a
Just,
truck and
you
we're
know,
working on it.
because, I heard of people driving faster here, so you don't want somebody
Yeah.
doesn't see your truck and maybe...
I know it sounds fast,
It's
but
very,
it's slow as hell.
very
It's just
loud. Yeah, it's.
All right,
yeah.
guys, have a good night.
Yeah, you too,
We're
man.
just making sure.
That's okay. We're good.
Yeah, man.